So today we start looking into binary tree preorder traversal. This question is like given a binary tree, return the preorder traversal of its nodes values. So we go down. For the sake of understanding, we have already written few scenarios though. So what is preorder? In preorder, actually, in binary tree, whichever node we visit, we ask these three questions from this. So we say, what is your value? The node we are visiting. Then we say, go to the left. What's your value? Then we go to the left, asking what is your values, and then we go back to the right. So let's see that how it navigate for the sake of understanding. So we say that first we are going to visit node 3. We ask the same question, what is your value, and what is on your left, and what is on your right. So in this question we have to return the list of values in int. So we have a tree node whose value which has a value int, and its left is tree node, right is tree node. We have to return the list of int. So that should be the output for this. Okay, so how preorder traversal is going to work. So first we come to the root node, we ask the question, what is your value, what is your left, what is your right. So when we say, let's make it empty. So we say it's empty. So we say that what is your value? He say my value is 3. We get the value here. Next, we say what is your left. He said, okay, you can go and visit. So unless we never get back from its left, we keep LR there in next to 3. So we say, okay, we are going to visit now 5. So we ask the same question, what is your value? What is on your left? What's your right? 5 says my value is 5. So we say that, okay, we can get the value from you. Now what is on your left? So we get that on my left, it is 1. And we ask the same question, VLR. So what is your value? So it tells that my value is 1. And now we ask, what is on your left? He said, I have nothing. So it is null, it is empty. We said, okay, you have nothing. What is on right? Nothing. So node 1 is done. We return the control back from 1 to 5. So the node 1 is done. We keep it here. Now node 1 is done. We get back to node 5. No, let's remove it. Okay. We get back to node 5. And when we get back from its left node, so it means its left is done, we ask, okay, what is on your right? So 5 goes and asks that, what is on my right? So we get the node 2, where we ask the same question, what is your value, left and right? So value is 2. And as it's a leaf node, so we have nothing on its left, or nothing on its right, and we are done. We return the control back from 2 to 5. So 5, right is done also. So it means node 5 is done. So when 5 is done, it returns back control to node 3. So it means the root node left whole subtree is done. Now, here you can see that this preorder is going to first give us the value v. This is v actually. And we are going to get all the values from its left node. That is, this is all values from left. Yeah. Now we were going to ask that, okay, what is on node 3, that what is on your right? So we get node 4, and we ask the same question. What is your value, left and right? So in case of value, he's going to give us 4. Now, that 4, we ask, what is your left? What is your right? So it is a leaf node, nothing on left, nothing on right. We are done from 4. We get back from 4 to node 3, and its right is done. Nothing remains. So our whole preorder traversal is completed. So here, if I will just make a tabbing here, so you can see that this is actually all values from right subtree. So this is we are getting actually. So I put it on command, and we go to the question, how to solve that. So now we have the idea, we have this concept in our mind. Now, keeping that concept in our mind, we have to go and solve the question. First, we start thinking the base case. When there is nothing, so we are going to return nothing. Second, when we have some node, we ask some question that what is your value, and then we say what is on left and what is on right. So what we can think about this, we can think that there are some cases. First, when we get nothing. Second, when we get some node. All right, so we can go through some pattern matching. Suppose we say that, okay, whatever the root, we say, let's suppose if we go to the leaf node, that's a base case. We say that case, you have null. What we think about that? Whatever is null, we were getting nothing. We were not putting anything here in our output. So we say that, okay, we are done with nil. That's a base case. And when we say case, we get some node. And we said, all right, so what we have, the concept in for the pre-order is that we have a value left and right. So we say, whatever the node you are, can you please give me your value? And because we are going to make a list, we can con. Like con is that we have a node, it's a right associative, and we have to make some list on here on its right, and then that list will definitely add this node in it. So we say that, okay, this is the value b, and we need all values from left. So all values from left, so we say preorder traversal, and we say node dot left. Whatever old values can you please bring from left and preorder, and then whatever on its right, we say preorder traversal node dot right. So this is what we get as a concept we were going to write as a code. So this is node dot value, and then we keep on traversing from its left, just like we did that. We go from left, then this 5, then this 1. So this is how we keep this statement first, and whatever we are getting as a whole list from the left, we are going to concatenate. We can even use this one. There is a discussion that either we have to use the plus plus or we have to use this triple counts. All right, so we don't go into that discussion, but okay, we can go and keep like this. So if you run the code, you get the answer. We have already submitted just for the sake of completion. All right, so here we have accepted the question, and I think that makes sense. Thank you.